Welcome to our roundup of the best oscillating multi-tools, the ultimate power tools every DIY enthusiast and professional should have in their toolkit. Whether you're tackling home repairs, remodeling, or precision cutting projects, these versatile tools handle it all, from sanding and scraping to cutting and polishing, with accuracy and control. In this video, we've handpicked the top-rated oscillating multi-tools that offer durability, power, and ease of use for both beginners and experts. We'll break down each model's standout features, performance, and build quality to help you find the perfect one for your next project. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Now, let's jump right into our list. The first on the list is the Prestormer PTT1010 Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Prestormer PTT1010 is a powerhouse designed for those who want reliable performance without spending a fortune. With a powerful 300-watt motor, this oscillating multi-tool delivers steady performance for a variety of applications, including cutting, grinding, sanding, and polishing. Its variable speed control allows you to adjust between 15,000 and 22,000 oscillations per minute, offering flexibility for both delicate and demanding tasks. Whether you're trimming pipes, removing grout, or sanding downwood surfaces, this tool handles each task with precision. Ergonomics play a big role in its design. The lightweight body and soft grip handle ensure comfort, even during extended use, while the quick accessory change system saves time by allowing tool-free blade swaps. Overall, the Prestormer PTT1010 stands out as a budget-friendly yet high-performing oscillating tool that combines power, comfort, and versatility for both home improvement enthusiasts and professional users alike. Next up is the Sync-Sitter Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Sync-Sitter model is a compact yet robust tool built for users who value control and precision. Equipped with a high-efficiency 500-watt motor, it easily cuts through wood, metal, and plastic with minimal vibration. The variable speed adjustment lets you fine-tune performance for delicate finishes or high-speed cutting, making it suitable for everything from furniture refinishing to plumbing installations. One of its most impressive features is the Universal Quick Change system, which enables users to swap out blades and accessories in seconds without any tools required. This ensures continuous workflow and efficiency. The Sync-Sitter also shines in comfort, thanks to its ergonomic anti-slip grip and well-balanced weight distribution. Overall, the Sync-Sitter is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, mid-range oscillating multi-tool that blends power, accuracy, and convenience perfectly. Next, we have the Nuon 600W Quick Oscillating Multi-Tool. If you're looking for pure power and performance, the Nuon 600W is a beast in its class. Featuring a high-torque 600-watt motor, it delivers strong cutting force for demanding applications like hardwood trimming, drywall removal, or heavy-duty renovation work. Its oscillation speed ranges up to 23,000 per minute, providing both speed and stability for tough materials. What makes this tool stand out is its tool-free blade change system, which allows you to switch between attachments in seconds, improving productivity. The sturdy aluminum head and reinforced motor housing increase durability while keeping vibration levels low. This makes it ideal for both professional contractors and serious DIY users who need consistent power over long working hours. Overall, the Nuon 600W is a rugged and powerful oscillating multi-tool that excels in efficiency, comfort, and reliability. Perfect for users who demand professional-grade performance. Next, we have the Tempstatur 170W Electric Oscillating Multi-Tool. The Tempstatur 170W is an excellent entry-level option for beginners and casual DIYers who want a versatile and affordable oscillating tool. Powered by a reliable 170-watt motor, it provides steady performance for small to medium projects such as furniture repairs, trimming, and light cutting. Its lightweight design makes it especially easy to maneuver, even for users with less experience. A standout feature is its 6-speed adjustment dial, which lets you customize the tool's speed between 10,000 and 22,000 oscillations per minute, depending on your task. This makes it suitable for a range of applications, from precision detail work to general home improvement jobs. Overall, this oscillating tool delivers great value, combining affordability, usability, and versatility for users who need reliable performance for lighter tasks. The last one on our list is the Yofidra 600W Oscillating Multifunction Tool. The Yofidra 600W is a premium multi-tool engineered for users who want maximum power and adaptability. It packs a strong 600-watt copper motor, delivering exceptional torque and cutting precision for professional-level applications. Whether you're slicing through wood, metal, or tile, it maintains consistent performance without overheating or slowing down. A key highlight is its universal quick-release system, allowing for effortless blade and accessory changes, saving time during complex projects. The variable speed control provides 6 adjustable settings, ensuring the right speed for every job, from fine sanding to aggressive cutting. Overall, the Yofidra 600W is a high-performance, durable, and user-friendly oscillating multi-tool perfect for those who need reliability and power in one sleek package. So, that wraps up our roundup of the best oscillating multi-tools available right now. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more guides and reviews like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay creative and keep building.